as shown. What is the length of the line marked with the question mark? Now, you should know that squares have equal side, right? So this are equal length of sides. They all are 28 over here. If I were to find the length of this square, I would just do 28 minus 22, which is 6 centimeters. To calculate the length of this square, the side of this square will be 28 minus 15, which is 13 centimeter, right? So it'll be 6 centimeter over here because this is a square, and 13 centimeter over here. Now, because I have this and this length, right, I can just do 28 minus 13 minus 6 to figure out what's the length of the square. So that will be 9 centimeters, right? So this square is 9 centimeter. Now I know that in the box that I have over here with 28, right, this square is 9 centimeter, and I need to figure out how long is this. So all I need to do is 28 minus 9, which is 19, and that's my answer.